Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to make a very simple nameplate for which I have taken a wooden board, empty medicine bottles, stationery, paints, brushes, Fevicryl molded, Fevicol, blade, twine, varnish, artificial flowers and thermocol. The making of this video is just similar to the one that I made previously with a quote, तूच आहेस तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार. The method is completely similar to that nameplate. So let's begin with this one. To start with, I first painted the nameplate. Once it was dry, I started pasting the empty medicine bottles on it. I not just pasted the bottles on the nameplate, I also pasted the bottles to one another. Once the bottles were pasted firmly, I then I pasted the twine on the upper part of the bottles. Then next, as usual, I mixed the Fevicryl molded and made stripes out of it and pasted the Fevicryl molded stripes with Fevicol on the nameplate by writing the quote on it first. The quote for this nameplate is, "There's no place like home." Once the stripes were ready, I started pasting those molded stripes on the nameplate. I then started filling the bottles with thermocol in it and then covered it with the artificial flowers. Later, I started painting the medicine bottles. After which, I started painting the letters, and once the letters were completely dry, I completely applied varnish to the entire frame and let it dry for 24 hours. And that's it, my nameplate is ready now. Kindly do watch the video till end because I will be sharing my other nameplates as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.